Hi all, let's see block level and inline elements in HTML. In HTML, elements are categorized as block level elements or inline elements based on their behavior and how they occupy space in a document. Let's see block level elements first. The elements div, paragraph, heading elements, unordered list, list, form, section, header. These elements are called as block level elements because these elements always start on a new line and takes full width of their container, that means in page. So that we are calling these elements are called as block level elements. In previous videos, we already saw div element, paragraph, heading, unordered list, list, table, then ordered list, etc. In our upcoming videos, we will see remaining elements, form, section, header, footer, etc. Next, inline elements. Inline elements are opposite to block level elements. It do not start on a new line and also it take up as much as width needed. For example, span tag, anchor tag, image tag, strong tag, etc. Let's go back to VS Code and see a small example. Here in our index.html page, just added a div. Div is a block level element, so it's take full width in a page or container. And also for understanding, here I'm added background color for div. Let's go to browser and check. See, it's take full width in a page. Let's add paragraph to understand clearly. Let's cut and replace. Let's add background color. Let's save. Let's go to browser and check. See, it's take full within a page. So block level elements always take full within a page or container. We can reduce the width of block level elements by using CSS styles. Let's see an example of inline element. Let's add span element inside this paragraph element. Span element is an inline container for markup. Span. Let's cut and replace. Let's add style for understanding. Let's add font weight as bold. Let's go to browser and check. See, inline elements do not start on new line. And also note, and here I added span as inline. You can also add anchor tag, image tag, etc. And also note, block level elements can contain inline elements, but inline elements should not contain block level elements. The remaining elements, form, section, header, footer, then here text area, output, button, input, we will see in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.